Hi y'all, welcome to Jet to Homestead, and today I am going to be showing you the seedy side of homesteading. No, not seedy, but the real for some of us. Some of us, we have busy lives. Some of us, we have full-time jobs. Some of us are doing it by ourselves, so our homestead doesn't look all nice and pretty and dainty and flowery. So I'm just going to show you what my homestead looks like. It is a process, and I don't intend for this to stay this way, so do not judge me. Okay, judge me in the comments. How about that? All right. What most homesteading channels don't show you is their collection of stuff that they're going to use, but they just don't have in the right place. Oh, I needed some more tomato cages. So these are sticks. They are from various iterations of my children's bunk bed slats. What else is in there? It looks like it's a piece of an old greenhouse. So I keep these sticks, and I'll show y'all why in a little bit. Most homesteading channels don't show you when their plants go to seed. Now I'm doing this on purpose because I am saving seed. So let me show you guys this. So this is the seed pod, and it will dry up and there will be seeds in there. So I am saving seed for my red Russian kale. I could just leave one, and I'll probably feed these to my chickens. And this is my red mustard greens, which really good for ya. And I'm waiting for my chard to go to seed, the red one especially. I think this one is, the other two are just green, but I'm gonna try to let them go to seed. So these are my tomato beds, and that's leftover cloth for the wintertime, frost cloth. And homesteaders don't show you that they have a bunch of this stuff laying around that if they're good, they keep neat, but I got issues. Okay, this is fat hen. I've been waiting for this. This is a weed that chickens love, and I'm gonna pull them up, but I'm gonna plant them. Yes, I am. I'm going to put them in a container so that I can keep growing them for my chickens because they love it. They don't show you that big mound of dirt that they had delivered from the I do not know why there's blue stuff in there, from the hardware store. This is called Murray Mix, and it's composted, like it's ready to plant in, but it's like broken down composted dirt and wood and all that stuff. So sometimes I sift it if I'm going to use it in containers, but they say you can just use them straight in the ground, but it's really chunky. Most homesteaders don't show you the weeds that grow around their compost bin. Ooh, that's a weed that chickens can eat. I know where to come get it. See, I have to cut them because it's going to get out of hand, and I don't like snakes, but my chickens can eat a lot of this stuff. So like that grass over there, I need to cut that down and feed it to my chickens. Well, let's look inside. So this is a compost bin, and this is like long-term composting, and it's got all kind of mess in it, but I don't anticipate that being ready to use for a long time. Most homesteaders don't show you the wood mulch pile that they made from from mulching up sticks on the homestead. This is hard wood mulch, and I scoop it up and I put it in my chicken run because it's full of bugs, and they will scratch in it and poop in it and make good compost for the garden. They don't show you where they have buried animals that they've lost. We covered this up because we have neighborhood dogs, and that's my Dollar Tree pot. It has broken down under the winter weather, but buried under here are my sweet chickens, Dolly Parton and Sissy Spacek. Yeah, we lost them last year. If you like my video so far, please consider subscribing. Thank you. What most homesteaders don't show you is the uneven garden beds that come from the land not being level, number one, and from just the dirt settling. So this one is kind of slanted, so this dirt settles, and I'm gonna add some more from that big mound I showed you guys so that this could be full. This is where I'm going to put my beans and squash. Most homesteaders channels don't show you the stack of pots that they have collected that they really intend to use and will use, but until they use them, they're sitting on a patio table. Most homesteading channels are not going to show you the onion bed that they started planting so long ago that weeds have grown in there, and those look like some kind of peas, y'all. So I'm about to look that up, or it could be like morning glory. Let me see what this is. Be sure to watch until the end of this video, because I will show you the tool I use to identify the different weeds in my garden and on my homestead. Don't miss it. What most homesteading channels are not going to show you is the debris that's left over on land that you acquire for your homestead. This is my grandmother's land, and it's sat abandoned for years, and people would park and they would dump stuff and rocks, and there's like glass and stuff that I have to get up, so they don't show you that. Most homesteading channels don't show you when you do the simplest thing instead of the nicest. They also don't show you the weeds that grow up in their garlic bed that has been growing over the winter. I thought I was talking to y'all when I was video recording this, but apparently I was just talking in my head, so now I have to do a voiceover. They don't show you the bags of soil and soil amendments that you just throw into the yard because you're eventually going to get it. Okay, and they don't show you all the plants that die. All the ones that go on to be with the Lord. Because, for no reason really. No reason. Ain't nobody tell y'all to stay in here. Ain't nobody tell you to stay in here. Everybody else outside, but y'all want to try to be obedient and be inside. It's crazy. Another thing that homesteaders don't show you is the amount of poop that we have to deal with for our little darlings. Here I'm turning the deep bedding in my chicken house. I have pine shavings in there, and there's so much poop, y'all. Because chickens poop at night and they poop a lot. But it's all for good, because I'm gonna compost all this stuff and use it in my garden in due time. I have discovered so many weeds in my yard that my chickens can eat. And you're probably wondering, well, how do you know what's good for the chickens? So now that you've stayed to the end of the video, you will be rewarded with my secret tool. This app is called Picture It. This is not sponsored. I do pay for this app with my own money, But you download the app, Picture This. It's called Picture This. And you take a picture of the weed, like so. And they tell you what it is.
Oh, I was right. Morning glory.
It is definitely a very good tool for homesteaders. So most homesteaders won't tell you a tool on their phone that can identify weeds in your yard that you might want to keep. So thanks for watching.